Yo, Kev, peace from DC. My nickname's Gangsta. I'm a little prancer. When I go to out of the restaurant, I take what I want. Things end up in Julia's purse. A few days later, she doesn't even curse. I said, I swam to Alcatraz 2 years in a row. I placed in the race, got the medal to show. I said, I'm a painter at heart, and I'm pretty smart. The walls of my office are painted green, real color of money. Well, ain't that a scream? Say it. Like to show net profit by ripping the dollar. Folks in the office don't, in the audience don't even holler. Say it. I teach man hours by building for cash. The team that's the fastest walks away with the stash. Say it. I'm proud of my accomplishments, and I ain't shy. Member of the year, a fun-loving guy. Say it. They say, go Kevin, go Kevin, go Kevin, I'ma go Kevin. Everybody go Kevin, I'ma say peace.